Hi everybody, today we're talking about the General Super-Vee. It's a small device for small pipes. It's very popular. It allows you to use Flexicore cable with the size of the drum and the shape of the drum and the mechanism. Very efficient use of the Flexicore cable so you can get a good job. It has a slide action chuck. Pull it back and it grips onto the cable. Slide it forward and it allows it to move in and out. You don't have to stop and turn a chuck in order to grab the cable. It makes it very effective. The size of the drum and the shape of the drum is designed so it doesn't get in the way when you're doing a job in a sink or under a sink. And we have a variable speed motor and a dynathrust bearing to keep everything strong. It's the toughest we can make it. Okay, so let me show you how this works. And that's the real big appeal for this machine. So we recommend you start with about 6 inches of cable. Get it down the drain, chuck it back, begin rotating the machine, and push it all the way in. Undo the chuck and pull back about 6 inches. Chuck it. You can go to a back and forth motion. That's very quick. I chuck it forward, pull back, and there's enough friction inside the line so it actually pulls cable out of the drum. I don't have to touch it. Now I chuck it, go forward. Unchuck, pull back. I can get into a forward and back motion using this. It goes very quick. It's actually quicker than even using a power feed. So as I pull this out, put it back inside the drum. I just want to mention there's a couple other things that people really like about this machine. First of all is cartridge, plastic cartridge. Allows for easy changing of the cables. This machine will accommodate 1/4 inch, 5/16 or 3/8 cable. And if you decide in the middle of a job that you want to change from one size to another, all you have to do is take the bandit off, this rubber band around here, unscrew the front, and change the cartridges out. The cartridge and the bandit, basically, are here in order to protect you in case water gets inside the drum to keep things from leaking out. It makes it much more integral. So the Super-Vee, the most popular electric drain cleaning machine in the industry. Well, for more information, call 800-245-6200 and talk to the Drain Brains, or go to our website, drainbrain.com. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.